Para Kangi Banzula Spitkan Kichma Katrai Erae Sasi Cho Latipe Shera Punnu Cho Baluch Begoai. Oh, thank you, my friends. You have invited us, and I'm really, it's my heartfelt with my Sindhi friends. They are here. It is a really a privilege for us to be here and show their solidarity with us. The story is long. The story of occupation, the story of operation, the story of colonial destruction. Pakistan occupied Balochistan on 27th March 1948. Since then, this colonial policy of Pakistan has oppressed Balochistan, Baloch at every level, whether it is cultural, colonial oppression, lingual, or political, whatsoever. In this 78 years of colonial oppression, Baloch stand firm against Pakistani brutality just for one slogan: Free Balochistan. And this slogan is our strength. This slogan is our vow to ourselves that we will keep fighting against all these oppressed policy of Pakistan till we gain our one and only aim, the aim of freedom, the aim of liberty. Today we are here to tell the world that Pakistan, which is a colonial force, maybe for the world colonialism is a cliche, but in reality colonialism still exists. When the land of a native nation has been occupied, their resources has been exploited, the people being tortured and killed and put in prison, and their lot is unknown, whether they have lived, whether they have died, and the people are buried in the mass grave. It means that the colonial policy still exists, the colonialism still exists in the world. And we want to tell the world, we want to tell the Western world that colonialism is still there. The people of Balochistan, the people of the Sindh, they have suffering in the hand of colonial policy of Pakistan. People are being killed on daily basis, and only this month, in the last month, 22 people have been killed only in one district of the Panjgur. This is one of the grave human rights violation. This is called genocide. When you people speak about the genocide, I think there cannot be a worse example than this, that the people within 1 month only in one district 22 people get killed because of their ethnicity, because of their nationality. They own a name Baloch and nothing more. They are not political worker. Maybe they are just shepherd, maybe they are just a student, and they have nothing to do with any political activities. But yes, maybe because of this collective punishment of the Pakistan, this is a collective policy of the Pakistan, where Pakistan can torture and kill the family of the Baloch activist because they want to silence the Baloch nation. But it is a fact that when a slave nation, when an oppressed nation knows that their destiny is not with a land like Pakistan, then the bloodshed, then the genocide, and whatsoever the level of oppression, but the people will not keep silent. They will keep fighting. They will keep fighting till their liberty. They will keep fighting till their last victory, the victory of freedom. Long live Balochistan, long live Sindhu Desh. Thank you so much.